Okay, I am going to be making some tacos, but these are like a replica of Jimboys tacos. So I'm going to add, so I'll show you how I made that in a second. Let me put on some music. Okay, so basically I have some ground turkey. And you saute with ground turkey with just a little bit of cooking oil, and then you add some onions, not carrots, onions. Well, you can add carrots if you want. Onions, garlic, and bell peppers, and then you add some chili powders, and you add. I added 2 kinds of chili powders: a New Mexico and California chili powder. And then you add a little bit of water and season it with salt and pepper, and there you have it. So you have basically a meat that is good for the tacos. Okay, so I'm going to take, over here, I'm going to add these. Okay. Tacos. Okay. I wish my family was here so I could cook for them. Okay. Right. So you just add some tacos. So basically you're gonna grill your tortillas, okay? So you grill your tortillas like this, and I usually, sometimes I like a little bit of oil on my tortillas, but it's up to you. But you want to basically soften them up. I have a little bit more oil on this side, so I'm going to go ahead and grill that. Okay. And so I want to make sure. And now you're going to add the meat right on there. See? I probably have enough. This is so easy to do. It's cheap. It's economical. It's for the. Now, who am I going to share these tacos with? Because I certainly am not going to eat them all. Probably put some aside. Okay. Okay, so that's enough for one more. So you want to make sure they're even. So and then you're going to add some cheese. So I used to make these for my kids all the time. So if you got babies, they'll love this. Okay? So you season your meat first, and then basically, let me put this down. And then you're going to take some Parmesan cheese, and you're going to grate it. Okay. Grate the cheese. It's falling apart. It was previously frozen. Oops. I'm just going to put that over there. So, okay. Now I'm going to lower this heat so they don't get scorched. And then you're just going to carefully flip that over on the side. Here. There you go. That's how you do it. Oh, yum. I can smell it. The cheese is burning on the grill. Okay, I'm going to have to put this down for a minute. it over like that. You don't even have to go to Jimboys Tacos for these. Side. One more scoop, I'm going to use that. So that made 6. That was like a half a pound. Not even a half a pound. Probably a fourth of a pound. Okay. Cheese on that. And then over here. I don't know why this is, it must be melted, so melted. Okay, so so I have my tacos already done. So basically they're grilled tacos, and what you're going to do next is you're going to dress them up. So I'm going to go ahead, let me put these. Oh, what kind of music do I have on? What the heck? Okay, so I'm going to take my plate for my tacos. Okay, so I'm going to dress them up. Basically, I have some shredded lettuce, tomatoes, a little bit more cheese, and Parmesan cheese. And also some of my salsa. Yum. What the heck do I have on? Yeah, I like that one better. So I take a couple of my tacos like that, right? And so I'm going to go ahead, and that has cheese already on the inside, see? So I'm going to take some lettuce, that, some more lettuce, like that, okay? And then I'm going to take this grater. Why did I put it up? And then just grate some more cheese on top. Okay. Okay, and basically okay, and then get some of my salsa. Okay, drizzle my salsa like that. If you have avocados, you can put that in, and just put my tomatoes in there. And honey, you have your replica of Jimboys tacos. Yep, that's how I make them. And I make these for my kids all the time. So, and they're good. Alrighty, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.